good, fast morning. It is day 22 on the PCT, and I am on the horse trail towards the PCT coming from Elk Lake Resort. And a little update from yesterday. Everything went smooth and perfect. Shower, food, shower laundry, tent site, cool people. And then, guess what happened? A red flag warning came in for this region starting today at 12 p.m. So I have now about maybe 5 hours maybe to get the hell out of here, because there's a huge thunderstorm with lightning and stuff moving in. So I don't want to do that again, because that was pretty scary up there at Diamond Peak. So after a restless night, I made the hard decision to push on and make as many miles as possible today, because I'm going to move west and then up north out of the red zone. So I should be okay, but there's still the possibility, which scares me, of course, freaking fires. So yeah, that's a quick update. Wish me luck. Day 22, let's go! Okay, made it back to the PCT, which goes down here. This video today is going to be of me going as fast as possible. It's 9:15 and 3.6 miles, and I'm out of the red zone, the red flag zone. So red flag warning starts at 12, so I'm gonna push on. You know, these mosquitoes ruin this whole experience, I'm telling you. But yeah, also with the fire and thunderstorm situations here, this is rough. This is not only rough on the body, it's rough on the mind too. So I just came out here. I just wanted to hike. I didn't want to make life or death decisions. Like, this is nuts. But I gotta keep moving. I'm almost out of the red zone. Never give up, never surrender. It sure is beautiful up here. That looks like a face. Kinda, right? decided to take a break. My rain gear, and I put this one over my feet so they don't get me there. Okay, so I didn't have any breakfast because I left at 7 and they have breakfast at 9, but I couldn't make it because I had to leave. And then I was too busy doing miles and eating, and now I'm a little shaky, you know, so I gotta eat. Best meal to have when you're hungry, ramen. Also gonna have Pringles, nuts, fruit snacks, and coffee. Well, that should really push me up the friggin' next mountain hill, kinda uphills mess. Good thing I ate something. This friggin' uphill would have beaten me. This is actually the trail, taken over by, I guess, snowmelt water. It kind of feels like there's only uphill today. Ugh. Damn. You'll never guess who I ran into. Motorcycle Mama. There she is. I was gonna go up like half a mile, but now I'm gonna camp just here with her. Perfect. Oh man, what a great day it turned out to be. So I made it, and I found Motorcycle Mama, and she caught up with me without me even knowing. So that was the best surprise. So I'm gonna camp with her, and then we're gonna hike. We already made plans. Gonna hike 14 miles tomorrow to the water cache, and it's right at the beginning of the 5-mile lava field, which is hard on your feet. Plus, you shouldn't do it in the afternoon. So, yeah, we're gonna camp there, 14 miles, and then we have like 16, 17 miles to get to Highway 20, and we're gonna both do a 00 in Bend. So, anyways, look at this. And mosquitoes. Yeah, so no thunderstorm. I don't know if it's down by Bend, what happened there, because I don't have any service here. But nothing happened here, so that's good. We were out of the red zone. That's perfect. And now I am, what else was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I had dinner and then I tried to edit the video and then I fell asleep. So I took a nice nap. I was exhausted today. That section kicked my butt. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed now. So good night, everyone. See you tomorrow.